Drag the right food into the basins. Don't stop. Keep up the good work. Put the food into the trough so our piggies can have a solid meal. That's all. Piggies like to lie in mud. Fill the muddy puddles with sand from the heap to avoid the piggies from getting dirty. Don't stop. Ready. Let's bathe our piggy wiggies. Drag the piggies into the bathtub. Ready. Do you like the animal? Rate it. Our hens are hungry. Feed them with the grain from the sack. Keep up the good work. Amazing! Ready. The hens are sated now and ready to lay eggs. Catch eggs with the basket. Don't stop. We did it! Ready. Our hens have scattered all over the garden. Catch them and drag them into the pen. Keep up the good work.